गोकुमार अस्ले कोरे मानो वीरान् प्रभाविनो भजिराविर्वन्तः तनं स्वाहवामहे नमः संभवाय च मयुद्भवाय च नमः शङ्कराय च महेश्वराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवकरं उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनादितो मुक्तीयमामृता।
Okay, so hello friends, this is KK Singh Vedic Astrologer, and welcome to my YouTube channel Om Astro Jyoti, learning Vedic astrology. So at that day, I was trying to do something on the date of Jupiter transit. So today also we will be covering the same topic, and actually on that day I had many comments coming in my that video of Jupiter transit from Aries till Cancer. The audio was not very clear, so actually I was trying to do a new software thing, but it suddenly did not work. So it's okay. So don't worry, I will be starting from Aries itself again, and I will be giving you the insights from Aries itself. So don't have to worry. And okay, yes, stay tuned for the transit video. Okay, so as I have mentioned that in the last video I have covered from Jupiter till Cancer, but due to some audio problem the audience were unable to hear me properly. So I guess now you can hear me properly, because uh, all the technical issues has been resolved now. So we come to Jupiter transit in various signs and various ascendant. Okay, so the first one again becomes here Aries ascendant and Aries moon sign people. I will just give the brief recap of whatever I have said, the important points in that video, and then we will move forward from the Leo. Okay, so we are again in the Jupiter transit video, and we can see that Jupiter, you can see my mouse cursor here, written JU here. So this is the chart of Aries ascendant or Aries moon sign people. Here what is happening, you see Jupiter happens to be the lord of 12th and the 9th, and Jupiter will be transiting the 10th house of the karma. And also for Aries ascendant, Jupiter will conjunct the 10th lord, which is Saturn. Here Jupiter is debilitated, yet it will be getting a Neech Bhanga because it is coming in the Kendra house and also with the dispositor. So definitely there is a Neech Bhanga. Second thing is, when Jupiter is in Capricorn, Jupiter will make the aspect in the three houses. The word follows are, these house becomes Taurus, these house becomes Cancer, and the next house becomes the Virgo. So you see second house, fourth house, and sixth house will be having the effect of Jupiter. Also, as I mentioned, that second house will be there will be a yoga for that, and second house there will be a good blessings of Jupiter in the house of Taurus. And you see there will be a double transit happening of Saturn and Jupiter here in the 10th house and also in the 4th house for Aries ascendant and Aries moon sign people. So yes, we can say that there might be some changes in the job, or there might be some changes in the comfort zone or the comfort area of the person, of the Aries ascendant or Aries moon sign people. Also, we need to consider the lordship of Jupiter. Jupiter is the 9th and the 12th lord here. So Jupiter is coming 11th from its 12th house. So yes, there may be a gain of the foreign things. The person might also go to a foreign land. But yes, this is a very good period for them. And also for the 9th house, from its 9th house means Jupiter is also the ruler of the 9th house. It is coming second to itself. Okay. So yes, there will be the progress of the dharma, and the journey will definitely increase, because 9th house is the journey. okay, or higher knowledge and learning. Okay, so now we move to our next slide, which is Taurus. Okay, so now for Taurus ascendant and Taurus moon sign people, Jupiter will be transiting their ninth house of luck, and Jupiter becomes the eighth lord and also the lord of the 11th. Though Jupiter is not a very good planet for Taurus ascendant people, because it will be a functional malefic, but yet Jupiter transit in the ninth house is auspicious and can be considered good. From here, Jupiter will be looking at the Lagna, and the Lagna, whenever Jupiter aspect the Lagna, the person is of wisdom. The person becomes spiritual and he has wisdom in him. Next, we can say Jupiter will also be looking at the third house of short distance and traveling. So yes, that is also going to be increased. And also Jupiter is going to look at the fifth house. The fifth house here becomes the house of creativity, speculation, and also the house of the children. Okay, now we can say Saturn and Jupiter will be in the ninth house, making the double transit in the ninth house and also in the third house. Okay, and here they are going to make the double transit. So yes, people be ready for Taurus ascendant and Taurus moon sign people to travel a short distance, and then also to get into like touch with many religious people, because it is also happening in the ninth house. So there will be a favor of the luck, because Saturn is also the ninth lord and the 10th lord here. Okay, now moving to next slide, which is Gemini ascendant and Gemini moon sign people. So Gemini ascendant and Gemini moon sign people, Jupiter transit is not good for you. At this point of time, Jupiter will be transiting the 8th house with the 8th lord. Yes, the 8th house will be getting activated too much. There will be activation of spirit, occult, mysticism, and all the stuffs, which also includes astrology and things. But from here, Jupiter is going to aspect the 12th house and the second house. So yes, there will be a equal balance between the expenditure and income. Income means the wealth, or it might trigger more expenditure, and also there will be what to say, from Jupiter, when it is looking from the 8th house, it also becomes the managing of other people's asset, because 8th house is the other people's bank account, you see, because of the 7th house. If they are other people, the second house from the 7th becomes the 8th house. Also Jupiter transit will be making a relationship, the double transit on the 8th house and also in the second house. So yes, at this moment of time, the person will be having, if the Jupiter transit is auspicious, having more Astakvarga point, then yes, person of Gemini ascendant or Gemini moon sign people may acquire some wealth or gain. But yes, that will be, they will be spending the same, because the thing is, it is also influencing the 12th house. Okay, now the next slide we come. It is for Cancer ascendant and Cancer moon sign people, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter will be transiting the 7th house, and there itself the 7th lord is present. So definitely there is a double transit of the 7th house on the 7th house. Jupiter happens to be the 6th and the 9th lord here, because Jupiter is also the 9th lord. So it will be giving some blessings also, though it is a 6th lord. But yes, for Cancer ascendant and Cancer moon sign people, Jupiter is a good planet. This is on the functional level. Overall, Jupiter is a benefic. Okay, so Jupiter and Saturn, they are going to make a double transit in the 7th house, and also the double transit effect would be felt on the head, on the ascendant. See, one thing I would like to tell you here, that is, the person will be full of wisdom here, because Saturn and Jupiter both are looking at the ascendant, and also the 7th house, there they must they can, or rather they will be into a new relationship, or they might be into some good uh, association, because it is also looking at the 11th house of gains and also the third house. So you see, there will be because all the Kama Trikona is getting activated here by Jupiter, so persons energy will be on three things: making relationship, making associates, and gaining and traveling. Because you see, all the Kama Trikona is getting activated. The sign is though earthly sign, but the Kama Trikona is getting activated, and this is going to be very fruitful for Cancer ascendant and Cancer moon sign people. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss about the next sign onwards, because this was just the recap I gave. So coming to Leo, for Leo ascendant and Leo moon sign people, Jupiter will be transiting the 6th house, and it will be with the 6th lord there. Again, the same thing, you have to be very careful with the health, because Jupiter here might trigger some disease, because it is also with the 6th lord. Jupiter here becomes the 5th lord and the 8th lord. So there might be some sudden activities which is going to happen, and which might trigger your profession, because it is looking at the 10th house and also the 12th house and also the second house. So there might be some difficulties in your profession due to the placement of Jupiter. So because also Jupiter is aspecting the 12th house, so 12th house theme is also going to come, and Jupiter is also the 8th lord here. Though Jupiter is the 5th lord, we consider, but Jupiter will be in debilitation. So you have to be aware of your health and your career. Okay. The next we are coming into the Virgo, the transit of Jupiter for Virgo ascendant and Virgo moon sign people. So for Virgo, Jupiter is the Kendra lord of both the 4th and the 7th lord, and it will be in transiting the 5th house. 5th house transit of Jupiter is considered good. Now 5th house Jupiter will be aspecting the 9th house, will be aspecting the 11th house of gain, and will be aspecting the ascendant itself. It will be making a double transit on 11th house and on the 5th house. At this time of time, Virgo ascendant or Virgo sign people, if they are newly married, they might it is a very favorable time to go for children. So yes, newly married couple definitely can go for childbirth, and that will be auspicious, because Jupiter is blessing there in the 5th house. Also here Jupiter is looking at the ascendant. People will be full of wisdom, and the gain, because also Saturn and Jupiter are making a double transit on the 11th house. So yes, the gain is also going to come, and the person will be overall happy with all the events which is going on. So this is a good transit for Virgo ascendant or Virgo moon sign people. Then we come for the Libra ascendant and Libra moon sign people. Jupiter holds the portfolio or the ownership of the 3rd and the 6th house, and Jupiter is coming in the 4th house. Now, whenever Jupiter is coming in the 4th house, it is also making a double transit on 4th house and the 10th house. Jupiter from the 4th house will trigger all the Moksha Trikona, because it will be looking at the 8th house and also the 12th house. And Jupiter also becomes here the Lord of the 6th. Though it is with the Lord of the 4th and the 5th, but yes, Jupiter for Libra ascendant will create some of the obstacle. But already Libra ascendant and Libra moon sign people are going through a dhaya of Saturn, because Saturn is transiting 4th house from their natal moon. So here overall in this 1 year period, Jupiter will try to calm down Saturn. The thing will be like that, because whenever the Saturn's dhaya is running, if Jupiter transiting Jupiter aspect or conjunct the transiting Saturn, then the effect of Sade Sati or even the dhaya gets reduced. So yes, there is a good one, means every black cloud has a silver lining. So that will be true for the Libra ascendant and Libra moon sign people. If they are already been troubled with all the house placement in the difficulties in their home, then yes, Jupiter might calm you down or relax it down. Okay, so this is overall a mixed period for Libra ascendant and Libra moon sign people. Then we are coming to Scorpio ascendant and Scorpio moon sign people. Now this is a overall okay sort of a transit, because Jupiter here is owing the 5th and the 2nd house for Scorpio ascendant and Scorpio moon sign people. Now Jupiter and Saturn, they both are making a double transit in the 3rd and the 9th axis. And also Jupiter is looking at the 11th house, the 7th house and the 9th house. So yes, there will be a dawn of fortune for the Scorpio ascendant and Scorpio moon sign people. And also I would like to tell you that yes, their younger sibling or the communication is going to be very much affected in a positive sense, because Saturn is also very comfortable there in the 3rd house. Saturn's transit in the 3rd house is good, yes, but Jupiter transit in the 3rd house is not so good. But still, by the virtue of the 9th and the 2nd lord, Jupiter will manage there. So overall, for Scorpio ascendant and Scorpio moon sign people, the transit of Jupiter will be favorable above average, and it will also increase the gain. Okay, and gain will be from the routine work, because it will be looking at the 11th house, which happens to be the sign of Virgo. Next, we are coming to the Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people. For Sagittarius ascendant and Sagittarius moon sign people, Jupiter rules the 1st and the 4th house and will be in the 2nd house. Now, Sagittarius ascendant or Sagittarius moon sign rather are having the Sadesati peak at this point, or setting period of Sadesati. So here, and as Jupiter is coming in the 2nd house from moon and from the ascendant, this is very auspicious time. So all the things like the pending work which Saturn did not allow the native to do, now it is going to culminate slowly and slowly. Also here, Jupiter is looking at the 10th house and 8th house and 6th house. So yes, person of Sagittarius ascendant and moon sign should be watchful of their health, because some events may be triggering of the 6th house also. Overall, this is a good period. This 1 year will be a good period and a bit of relaxation from Saturn's Sadesati ending period. So people of Sagittarius ascendant and moon sign people will definitely find a way out in this difficult situation. Okay. Now next, coming in the transit for Capricorn ascendant and Capricorn moon sign people. So Capricorn ascendant and moon sign people, Jupiter will be transiting in the head in the 1st house. Now Jupiter on the natal moon is not considered good. Saturn is already there in the peak Sadesati period. They will be Saturn and Jupiter will be making a double transit in the ascendant and in the 7th house, in the 5th house, and the 5th house Jupiter will be aspecting, and the 9th house. At this point of time, I would like to suggest Capricorn ascendant and Capricorn moon sign people, as Jupiter is the 12th house and the third house lord. Try to be calm, and yes, you are going to see a metamorphic change in your life or in the life of the partner, because you see both are making a double transit in 1-7 axis. Whenever these axes are getting activated, person definitely come out of their shell or completely change their identity, or they find a new person in themselves. So be ready for a massive transformation. This is a time for transformation for Capricorn ascendant and Capricorn moon sign people. Yes, because this is also a Sadesati, so be a little bit careful. The next sign is for the Aquarius ascendant and Aquarius moon sign people. Jupiter transit will be on the 12th house. Jupiter becomes a lord of the 2nd and the lord of the 11th. Now, whenever Jupiter is going in the 12th house, and this is also a period of the starting phase of Sadesati, the 12th house of expenditure becomes super active. So watch out for your expenses, and also you are facing a very difficult Sadesati also, because Jupiter is looking at your 4th house, 6th house and 8th house. So yes, do look out your finance, and also try to be calm and patient in this dealing. Do not get greedy, because you might lose majority of your shares if you are doing it. So try to minimize your expenditure and be happy in that whatever you are having. Do not try to go and go for another project until and unless completing one project in the hand. Okay. Now the last but not the least, for Pisces ascendant and Pisces moon sign people, Jupiter is the owner or the lord of the first and the 10th house, and Jupiter will be transiting the 11th house. This is the most auspicious and the wonderful transit of Jupiter happening, because Saturn is also the 11th lord in the 11th house. And from Jupiter, and from the 11th, Jupiter is also looking at the 3rd house and the 5th house and the 7th house. So this period is wonderful period for the Pisces ascendant and Pisces moon sign people. They are going to gain everything, whatever they are wishing for, be it creativity, be it going into a relationship, or going or career wise also, because 10th lord is very favorably positioned, and also the Lagna lord is 11th. So yes, Pisces ascendant and Pisces moon sign people, a very good time for you. Thumbs up for you. So this is my overall analysis of Jupiter transit in all the 12 sign, and be it ascendant or from the moon. I hope you like the video. So if you have liked the video, do subscribe to my channel and share this video and like it also. So this is KK Singh signing off for today, and we will meet soon with a very interesting topic another time very soon. And yes, God bless and be happy always. Try to spread the love and light. Thank you.